Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you how to generate images with Gemini app. So first thing that you will do is of course make sure you are running the latest version of the Gemini app. And now once you have done that, you can just simply open up the Gemini application into your device. Now, once you are here, as you can see right away, we should be able to see create image over here. But if you don't see that, you can just simply tap on the plus icon on the left side, and beside that, you will have the two lines with the circle. So go ahead and tap on that. And we should be able to see here, create image. Now here on the image tab, we should be able to pick our style based on the preferences that we like. And we will have here multiple categories that we might want to consider during this process. So for example, I'm going to go for Zyborg, and pretty much you should be able to just simply describe the images. So guys, the better the prompt that you have, the better the result. So for example, I'm gonna go for test for outer space. So pretty much I am just prompting a random word, but of course you must prompt based on the outcome that you would like to be outputted, and automatically it will create an image for you. It may take some time because it is an image. So pretty much over here, the more specific your prompt, the better the result. And as you can see, this is my output, and we could just simply hold an image to copy it or save it. We could share, copy and save, and it will be saving into our gallery, into our phone. And pretty much that's it. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.